Hello friends, welcome to my channel DataMaking. In this video, I'm going to install Visual Studio Code on my Ubuntu operating system. Visual Studio Code is a popular IDE, which is integrated development environment to build different types of applications like Python application, uh, .NET based application, Node.js or JavaScript based applications. So what is the prerequisite for installing this software? So you should have either desktop or laptop system, and I'm using, as I mentioned, Ubuntu desktop version 24.0.24. If you have other version, the installer is going to be different, but installation process is almost same. If you have any question, please reach out to us. And I'm using a Python version 3.12. I will just um, start downloading the installer file of Visual Studio Code, and then do the installation process for you. Just follow this video. Just go to the Google browser and type VS Code download and go to the download page of the official website. So there are different installer file based on your operating system. Since I'm using a Ubuntu, so I'll just click on this. So it is going to download the installer file based on the internet bandwidth. It will take some time. Okay, so basically uh, I'm downloading the installer file, which is for AMD compatible or the processor architecture one. Okay, so my installer is downloaded. Let me go to the download folder. Okay, so I'll just see this folder. The installer file is downloaded. Either you can open a terminal and navigate to this location, or I'll just start launch the terminal from this location. So we see the installer file here. You have to use the command called sudo dpkg hyphen I, then followed by give the file name. It is asked the sudo password, provide it. So it is going to unpack the installer and start doing the installation of VS Code. So it will take some time. Just follow the instruction. So I would like the installer would like to add the Microsoft repository and the signing key to update the VS Code. It's asking whether add apt repository for Visual Studio Code. I'll just say yes. The installation is completed. It's very simple steps. You can just type VS Code here, and I say add V itself. It's suggesting I will add it to my dash or the start menu kind of thing. So I'll just click on this. So the IDE is integrated development environment is downloaded. You can choose the theme. Okay, so they're suggesting to install the uh, Copilot, which is the AI pair programmer, AI assistant. We will explore this in the later stage of this playlist. For now, we will focus on only installation of VS Code. So I'll just go to theme. So I'll just choose different theme. I'll just go uh, light, Visual Studio Code light. Okay, this I'm liking it. Now we can just create some folder in your file explorer. I'll just go to my home directory. I am following my all code over here. I'll just say work area, and then I'll put Python basics. I'll just create a folder called demo over here. So I'll open this folder there. Go to this open folder in my code work area Python basics demo. I'll open this. This folder is nothing but kind of project folder. You accept all this terms and condition. I am going to create a new file. Say hello world dot py. So just we'll put print hello data making. See, it's suggesting, do you want to install the recommended Python extension from Microsoft for the language? I'll say yes, or you can just go to the extension later. Also, you can do it here. Okay, go to the extension and use it. I'll just go with the install now, so that all this Python basics features you will get it. Okay, all this intelligence, other stuff. Okay, this has been done. So you can just say right click or just give this run button. See, it is installed, sorry, it is executed this program and printing allow data making. So by default, it is using this default Python interpreter. If you want to change this Python distribution, the Anaconda, which actually I'm using Anaconda distribution of Python. For that, you can just go to this view command palette, command palette. You can type Python interpreter, with select Python interpreter. So you can choose it here. So you see, this is the base Python it is using, and we have Anaconda here. So this also you can change it. So it's very simple step. I hope you got this video, and that's it from this video. We installed successfully uh, Visual Studio Code IDE on our machines. We were able to execute the simple Python program. Please like this video and comment this if you have any question and suggestion. Happy to help you. See you in the next video, friends.